So hello guys, today we will be seeing about one-hot encoding. So first of all, what is meant by one-hot encoding? So it's nothing, it's very easy. So first of all, one-hot encoding is nothing but in the data set we have three categorical features. So for example, in this we have red, green and blue. So the in machine learning, the machine that didn't accept the words. So we'll be using ones and zero. So in this tutorial, we have a car model, mileage, sell price. So by having this data set, I show you how to do one-hot encoding. So let's get into it. So first of all, in my Jupyter notebook, so I will be having the car prices, CSV, which is nothing but the data set. So we'll be importing the essential libraries for this data set. So first of all, we import pandas. So you guys know about pandas, it's very easy to learn. So when we imported it, and we need to, so next we need to read the CSV. So data frame panda.read CSV, and we are, yeah, now the CSV is read. So now we will see the head of the data frame. So data frame not here. Yeah, we got the first 5 rows of the data set. So next we'll be getting the dummy variables, just nothing but the one-hot encoding. So we're looking at the rows, we have odd BMW X5 and odd A5 and the Mercedes-Benz C class. So usually the machine didn't take the words, so we convert into a one-hot encoding, which is nothing but zeros and ones. So to do this, so we'll be have a function called dummies. So dummies char panda get dummies, which is nothing but which convert the words into the zeros and ones. So panda get dummies and the data frame and the rows which need to be converted into a zeros and ones. So will be assigned here. Yeah, now the dummy mode is ready. When you see the dummies, yeah, now see. Now the RDFI is another 0, 0, 0, 0. So BMW 65, which is nothing but zeros, doesn't indicate there is no Mercedes A5 and Benz C class. So here the first we see the BMW X5, so which is a 1. So that's it. That's the one-hot encoding. It's simple, and machine learning is simple though. So we need to concat these 3 columns into the main data frame. So to do this, we will be using a function called merge. So we take in merge and that concat. Yeah, concat is a function which the 2 data sets to be merged. So concat and data frame, and the second is dummies, which we do the one-hot encoding, and we specify the axis columns. So and when you see the merged data set, yeah, now we see that the one-hot encoding is done. Yeah, we got the twin index by as 1. So we will dropping one of the columns. So we will be dropping one of the one-hot encoding columns, which we usually don't need that. Yeah. So we'll be dropping the one of the columns. So final data asset is equal to image of, and we'll be dropping this because it is covered with hot encoding. So next we'll be dropping any of the 3, because if the machine reads zeros and ones, will be an merchandise X5. The machine reads ODI as 0 and merchandise when C class is 0 and the input will be 1. So it's nothing but merchandise X5. So we'll be dropping any of these columns, doesn't make any problem. So we'll be dropping this last one. So you can drop anything from there. So next we need to specify the columns axis. Yeah, now done them. So we see the panel. So we need to put the, sorry, we just need to become to the, yeah, now we get the cleaned data set. So when the input value, so that independent variables is mileage, age, expire, and BMW. So sell price is a dependent variable which we need to predict. So in X, so we'll be taking X, and as sorry, it's final dot prop. So we'll be dropping the sell price from it because it is an dependent variable, so which will be converted into the Y column. Yeah, so we need the X. So say we have the model, perfect model for the training. So next the Y. Y is nothing but the sell price. Yeah, we have the sell price. So we'll be taking and dragging here. Sorry, we need to specify in a list. Yeah, now see the one. We have the sell price. Yeah, we got the sell price. So let's do the model training. So first model training using sklearn linear model. So you can use any model training such as random tree, forest classifier, decision tree, and vector machine, and many things. So I'm just to simply think we use integration because it's in small data set. So we'll be getting model equal to linear. So it's input. So now the model is ready to be trained. So you have to fit the model. So to fit, we will be specifying the X and Y. So the model is fitted perfectly. So now we will be seeing the score of a model. So to we will putting a model dot score X and Y. So now the score is 94, which is pretty good. Yeah, now we will be predicting the price of a merchandise Benz that is 4-year-old with mileage 45,000. So to this, you will be model that predict the price of the car. So for 45,000. Yeah, next. With 4 years, will be 4 years and 0. Yeah, now the price of the car, which ran a mileage of 45,000 and 4 years old. The price of the car is 36,991. So let's do another example. So we need to predict the BMW X5, the 7-year-old with a mileage of 86,000. So yeah, you can put any value and predict the model. So Yeah. So as I said, it's been 86,000. We'll be doing anything. We can put whatever we want. So 7, and for zeros and zeros, so the BMW X5 will be in 1. So we get the price at 11,080. So that's it, guys. We have done for one card encoding, and thank you.